Whoa. Okay, that's high off the ground. Okay, so she's stable. Not going anywhere. Been meaning to do this for ages. Okay. Let's get you a bit closer. For all those that don't know, this is Pinky. Pinky is my zzr600, my Kawasaki. As you can tell, the name suits it. Oddly enough, in the camera, looking at the screen, the paddock stand looks the same, but it's not. It's a different shade, as is the panels. The engine, of course, obviously is not in there, otherwise I wouldn't be able to do that easily. The engine is under that, which I started doing some work on last year. No, it's the beginning of last year, sorry, yes. I'll just close up the tripod. And then things changed slightly. The opportunity to save up money for the Cortina came up. So this kind of like went on the back burner, as do all my bloody projects. No, I do have the, as you would have seen in the previous Pinky video, I took off the sump pan on this engine, cleaned it all up, and I need to get it polished, and before I put it back on. I have got a new gasket for that, so hopefully I can do that fairly soon. And then I can put that hopefully back in the engine and then add the ancillaries after. Is that the old one or the new one? Nope, that is the old one. I did buy a new one and I can't remember what I've done with it. Unfortunately, with projects like this, when you put something away and you haven't seen it for a while, you get a bit like, where's that gone? So yeah, these panels at the back of the bike have been replaced. I had these powder coated as the other side. This side unfortunately had to be ground back because the grips wouldn't fit. The reason why I've got another switch gear is because the old one doesn't have the lug that goes in that hole there to hold it still, if it'll focus. There we go. It needs to go in there to stay still, otherwise the whole unit flops around, which is not good. I have a new set of, well, not new, they're just better than these forks, because these forks are highly pitted, so they have to come off. The new ones just have, the bottoms have to be cleaned up and repainted so they can go on, and yeah, I need to get on with this at some point this year. Hopefully I can do some work in between working on the Cortina. So eventually Cortina will be in here. So all this lot cannot be. But as with these things, stuff accumulates. Anyway, thank you for watching this undramatic video. See you later.